Hi, my name is Amanda Line. I'm the Commercial Director and Co-Founder of Acal Energy Limited. Our company was founded to develop a hydrogen fuel cell technology where we reduce the cost and improve the durability of the technology. Hydrogen fuel cells are being considered to replace combustion engines in cars. Unlike batteries, they don't need recharging and you can refuel the vehicle in 4 or 5 minutes in the same way as you would a hydrocarbon vehicle. They're also being used for microgenerator in combined heat and power. In the case of Acal Energy's technology, we can reduce the cost by half of the current conventional technologies and therefore enable mass market deployment of the technology. In hydrogen fuel cells at the moment, the cost is extremely high. They're probably about 5 times more expensive than a combustion engine. That cost is a mix of not enough in the market and not scale of production, but it also, to the core of a hydrogen fuel cell, it uses platinum to do the clever bits. And in our case, we replace that platinum with a cheaper technology that will ultimately ensure that the mass market will be feasible. We're here looking to raise £15 million for the next stage of the company's development. To date, we've raised actually 13 million since over the last 8 years. But we've got to a point where we've proven the technology and we're working through for developing commercial partners, and the funding will help us get through to that stage. We're looking to joint venture and partner with automotive companies. And then in the case of the stationary power combined heat and power application, we're looking for system integrator partners that can take our power module and put that into a whole system that would then be enabled to generate power in the home or in a commercial application. There are lots of fuel cell companies. In fact, there are fuel cell companies that have promised the earth and not delivered, certainly for investors. The core capability for fuel cell technology is in companies like the automotive, where they're doing R&D. They're expecting to launch vehicles in the next 3 or 4 years, so it's very competitive. The unique thing about Acal Energy is we have a very different way of doing it, and we have a portfolio of over 20 patents that we've so far secured to enable us to create a competitive edge to what we're doing. The most difficult hurdle is the fact that people have promised the earth for hydrogen fuel cells for the last 30 years, and therefore when we meet investors, they're fairly cynical about the truth behind our technology and whether it will really work. I think at the moment the opportunity is there because the automotive companies are genuinely talking about launching vehicles, and our technology will be a next generation for that. However, it is still quite a long time before we can actually see our technology in a car that a consumer can buy, and therefore it's the time that it will take for us to develop the technology that's the biggest challenge. As I said, hydrogen fuel cell technology has been considered for many years. The exciting thing at the moment is the fact that there are commercial niche applications that have developed, and they will continue to grow. The largest and most well-known manufacturer of hydrogen fuel cell technology is even promising to break even in the next 12 months. So hopefully the industry will genuinely show that there's real applications and real opportunity to reduce carbon using hydrogen and fuel cells.